What type of visa are you interested in?
I am considering the B2 visa.
Have you received a job offer from a United States employer?
Yes, I have an offer letter from a tech company.
Can you provide a copy of your job offer letter?
Sure, I have it right here.
Is your employer willing to sponsor your visa application?
Yes, they are ready to sponsor me.
What is your current job title and responsibilities?
I'm a senior software engineer focusing on AI development.
Do you have a current resume or CV?
Yes, I can email it to you.
What is your highest level of education?
I have a master's degree in computer science.
Have you previously applied for a United States visa?
No, this is my first time.
Are you currently in the United States?
No, I am still in my home country.
What is your country of citizenship?
I'm a citizen of India.
Do you have any family members who will be accompanying you?
Yes, my spouse and 2 children.
Have you ever been denied a United States visa?
No, I have never applied before.
What is the location of your prospective job in the United States?
It's in San Francisco, California.
How long have you been working in your current field?
I have been working for about 10 years.
Can you provide copies of your academic transcripts?
Yes, I have them ready.
Do you have any professional licenses or certifications?
Yes, I am certified in several programming languages.
Have you published any papers or articles in your field?
Yes, I have published 3 papers on artificial intelligence.
Are you a member of any professional organizations?
Yes, I am a member of the IEEE.
Have you received any awards or recognitions?
Yes, I received an award for innovation in technology last year.
Can you provide letters of recommendation?
Yes, my former employers have provided letters.
Have you previously worked in the United States?
No, this will be my first job in the United States.
What is your current job title?
I am currently a lead software developer.
Are you familiar with the EB visa categories?
Yes, I have researched the different types.
Do you have any patents or trademarks?
Yes, I have 1 patent in AI technology.
Can you provide a detailed job description for your new role?
Yes, I can get that from my employer.
How long do you plan to stay in the United States?
I plan to stay long-term if possible.
Have you undergone any background checks?
Yes, my employer conducted a background check.
What industry does your employer operate in?
They are in the technology industry.
Can you provide your employer's financial statements?
I will request those from my employer.
Have you completed a labor certification process?
No, I need assistance with that.
Do you have any dependents?
Yes, my spouse and children.
Have you ever been involved in any legal proceedings?
No, I have not.
Can you provide your passport and travel history?
Yes, I have my passport with me.
Are you aware of the processing times for EB visas?
Yes, I have read that it can take several months.
Have you prepared a cover letter for your application?
No, I would need help with that.
Do you need assistance with filing the forms?
Yes, I need help with the entire process.
Are you aware of the prevailing wage requirements?
Yes, my employer mentioned it.
Can you provide evidence of your professional achievements?
Yes, I have my awards and certificates.
Have you discussed your visa application with your employer?
Yes, they are supportive.
Are you in a managerial or executive position?
Yes, I am a team lead.
Can you provide your job contract?
Yes, I have a signed contract.
Have you reviewed the eligibility criteria for EB visas?
Yes, I believe I meet the requirements.
Do you have a social security number?
No, I do not have one yet.
Are you prepared to undergo an interview at the consulate?
Yes, I am ready.
Have you gathered all necessary documentation?
Yes, I believe I have everything.
Are you aware of the filing fees for the EB visa?
Yes, I have budgeted for them.
Have you checked the visa bulletin for availability?
Yes, I have been following it.
Are you applying for a green card concurrently?
Yes, that's my plan.
Do you need help with your adjustment of status application?
Yes, I need assistance with that.
Are you prepared for the visa interview process?
Yes, I feel prepared but might need some guidance.